Yo, what is going on, you guys? It is one of them days. It's Tuesday. I'm GamerReDefined. I'm here with my pals, the Judgy McJudgersons, and it's time to get atomic. What's going on out here? First of all, as I always do, let me introduce my co-defendants. President Nikari and Wasteland Meds of the Judgy McJudgersons panel. Oh my God! Okay, let's try that again. Meds, you ready? You ready to check this out? Oh Meds, this is just. Someone make a clip, please. New from Vaultec Industries comes the new Vaultex wave of hygiene products. Let me see. I can't believe how I just want to see this from every angle. It's ridiculous. Yes, thank you, Aries. May I remind you, this is an 18 and over stream, so you knew what to expect. So what did we? Okay, I gotta keep moving around. It's hard to kind of get on this because
oh God, I can't.
I'm actually ashamed at how hilariously obsessed I am with this. Tech Blaze, what up? Stay.
Oh God, I can't.
Is Meds on? Is Meds okay?
Oh my God, I've been muted this whole time. Oh my God.
Anybody?
I'm sorry. I've just been so excited. I had to mute myself. Didn't want everybody to hear all that.
How funny is this?
Oh yeah.
This is like that you can't get to the thing. Ugh.
The water fountain brings all the boys to the...
Wow, she is wet. You know, these are the kind of hard-hitting topics we want to cover. You know, it's got a lot of things going on here. Hard spitting reporting. I love it. Wow. I just can't stop.
Wow, that was an intense one right there.